We got a flag up here. I don't know if we got something, but oh, maybe, hopefully. Oh! Alright, what's going on, you guys? Snagging with Sean here, and today I'm gonna be heading back out again, doing some more ice fishing. We got some shiners this time, some worms, so hopefully we're gonna get on some fish actually, not just see them on the flasher. I'm gonna go run around with the auger and find a good spot, and then we'll be out there, yeah. Can't get it to any deep water right now with how the ice is. It's pretty much just frozen over in the smaller bays with about 10-foot max, but around bite time when the fish come in, we might have some luck, especially with some panfish. So, catch you guys when we get out there and we're setting up. Well, here we go, you guys. Another day on the ice. Ice jack number 1. Plenty. Really?
Yeah.
Whew. Alright, you guys, so we're just getting some tip up set up there now. Put some minnows, shiners on there, and see what we can do. Beauty, bud. That spins off good.
That's cool.
Beauty, bud. It's like, I think we're getting good at this. We just need a minnow. And then we'll be good ski. Another minnow. Shiner, you guys. Big shiner. Get down there, Skippy. Alright guys, we're just getting set up now. We'll get some worms going, some minnows. And we're gonna jig away. We got the tip ups up, and yeah. We'll let you know how we're doing here in a little bit. We got a flag up here. I don't know if we got something, but oh, maybe, hopefully. Come on. Oh! There was something on there. There was something on there, bud.
Yeah.
Oh. Go get minnows, go get minnows. There was a fish on there. I felt it kicking, Kev.
Really?
It was kicking, like, you know, but it was like, it pulled the minnow off. Yeah. definitely a fish on there. Hundo P. Feel anything on it?
No, but this one had a bunch of line in, so it wasn't deep enough.
Huh. That was weird, man. There was totally a fish on there. Frag. So close.
Yeah.
Oh, we're still jigging away, you guys. Don't think that's something on the bottom there, but might be. I'm not the best ice fisherman, you guys, I can tell you that. I went out one year quite a bit with my father, and we didn't have much luck, but looking to get into it this year. Get pretty deep into it, so we'll see what we can do. I'm looking to start a series called Beasts of the Ice, and I'm gonna be traveling lake to lake, going for the trophy species on the lake, trying to get a trophy fish, and we'll see how that goes. Sort of a bit different style than my summer videos. Once a week or once every 2 weeks sort of thing with these videos, just because they're going to be a bit harder to produce and edit, but we shall see. Shall see. I'm excited. Got some camping videos as well, some glamping, and we'll see you guys. Should have bite, you guys. Come on, fishy. Make my day. Alright, guys, checking the tip up. It's a little bit dark out here now. A bit dark. She hasn't moved. This one. Like she moved, but no, nothing. Well, you guys, it's kind of dark. I definitely got to figure out a better lighting arrangement. Still sitting here, haven't had any action in a while. Gonna tie some more minnows on and then give it another hour or so before we head in. Fingers crossed. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. We came close to catching our first fish through the ice on the tip up there. Got off when I started pulling it up, unfortunately. I'm gonna be hitting some rainbow trout lakes soon, hopefully, and definitely gonna be going again tomorrow, searching for some spots and seeing what I can do for you. Until then, till next time, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below, Snagging Squad, if you stayed the whole way.